Hi, I'm Amy and I'm back for another tips and tricks video. This time I'm going to show you how to remove an Acrovyn edge. So I brought my ladder along so that I could actually get up above to the top part of the door. And I brought with me a flathead screwdriver. And what I'm going to do is really try to just pull along this edge from the top. Bring the screwdriver around. Now that I have it free, I can start to pull this edge off along down the door. It's really easy once you get that top piece removed to keep pulling, working your way down the door. Off we go. All right, we've got our new edge and we are going to start at the bottom and work our way up. Just want to make sure that I can get it clipped onto the bottom part of the door. Slide that up, make sure that it's really attaching. I've got it around my hardware there. And just keep working my way up the door. All right, and that's it for another tips and tricks.